Look like a Backstreet Boy there. Was one of my pet peeves of Jenna. Maybe it's, yeah, we'll go with the little compost piles that she has in her car that always seem to spring up. I like to think of them as her little witchy offerings for her car, but they're dirty. I like cramming as much as I can into my Saturdays. So my ideal Saturday is like maybe golf in the morning, maybe hit up a local fair, like art fair or like music festival kind of a thing. At night, Forward Madison game, or a concert, and then hitting the couch with all the animals at night. Sounds nice. What's one thing that I would eat for the rest of my life? You know, I think Jenna was cheating. The other day she was actually asking a version of this. So if she says burgers, she cheated. But that's also my answer. Where's my dream vacation? Anywhere with Jenna? Somewhere tropical. Give me the beach. Give me the waves. Now it's the easy questions, I think. Notice how she put me in the basement while she's upstairs answering these questions? Ridiculous. What is my favorite thing about Jenna? I think it's her kindness. Like, she just radiates this warmth and love and respect that is so grounding and inviting, and you can really tell she's just so authentic and genuine and pure with everything she does. That's what I love the most about her. Tons of other stuff. I could go on and on, but let's leave it with that. What is one thing that I order at a restaurant? You know what? I've let Jenna order for me since meeting her, and it's been so awesome. I just go, 2 things that you see on the menu, let's get them and split them. So I guess I order water for the table that I don't drink. My favorite for memory from our relationship, I do have so many, but I think it's one of the first times that we danced together and kind of locked eyes, and it was so much freaking fun, and I feel so just comfortable with her, and just like I can freaking be myself, and dancing with her is like the height of that experience. So the first time we danced together. What is one thing on my bucket list? I think maybe it would be to go to Egypt and see some orbs. I think that would be pretty cool. Okay, Jenna cheated. So Kayla called and she was like, you guys are doing this the wrong way. Only Steve's supposed to record. Meanwhile, she was upstairs having trouble answering some of these questions. And she cheated and told me her answer to that one. So 1 point for Steve. What is one thing that will always make me laugh about Jenna is the way that she sometimes says no. It's just, she has a very distinct way of saying it. And when she does, and I've asked her about this because she's like, that means that was a really stupid question to ask. No. So whenever she does that to me, I'm like, that, or she says from Bambi, she does it really well. She says, bird, you'll have to ask her to do it. But that always makes me giggle. All right, my irrational fear, which I've had since I was little and share in common with Jenna, is probably fear of the dark, and whatever's out there that might get me in the dark. And I also don't like scary movies for the same reason, even though I know that they're fake most of the time. Who knows? Oh, crap. What would I do if I won the lottery? Well, first things first, quit my job. Then probably travel a little bit. work with some financial planner to set something up to live on a decent lifestyle, but then pour everything else into probably a foundation, and work with nonprofits that are trying to advance environmental, animal welfare, humanitarian efforts. We got a lot in this world to fix, and I would love to be able to have the means to help chip away at that. What would you do, Mom, if you won the lottery?
I don't know.
She doesn't know. We'll get back to you on that.